This rattan queen bed frame has two really cool features I don't think I've ever seen before on another bed frame, and I'll get to those in a second. So my husband just finished putting it together. It did take him a little bit longer than usual, and reason being, I mean, the directions are super clear, but literally every single piece needs to be built, and obviously that's because of packaging. It comes in a really great small package, and everything is just wrapped individually, so it takes some time to get everything out and get yourself organized. But then once he kind of started going, it was good to go. So obviously this part right here is the rattan, so it kind of gives you that like cool like boho look to it. So you've got like the two little squares here on the top. Obviously you are seeing the wood, but the actual frame is metal, which is really great. So this can hold up to like 1,100 pounds. As I already said, this is the queen size one, but it also comes in like the full king and so on and so forth. So depending on the size you're looking for. So two of the things that I think are really cool I've never seen before. One, so you don't need a box spring on this because you have the slats, but check this out. Normally these slats, you've got like a bit of Velcro or something here. This is actually like in here, there's like a little plastic piece that you push in. Like, I think you could probably take this off, but you're really gonna have to yank it. But obviously you don't want to take it off because you don't want these slipping and sliding. On my current bed, they move all over the place. So we have to actually like move them, and it's super annoying. These are going to stay in place, and you've got that plastic here on top. So it's not like it's gonna be metal on metal hitting each other or anything. So that's really good. The other thing, again, as I already mentioned, with the bed frame being metal, you just have all this extra support because you have this like cross here in the middle. So that is why it can hold up to like 1,100 pounds. The other thing I have never seen before on any of these beds, as you can see 4 storage drawers under here, and they are on wheels. And most of the time, these just kind of like slide open and slip and slide. Honestly, I normally don't even use these. My stepdaughter has one of them, and we just have them tucked underneath the bed, and she doesn't pull them out because they're annoying. These actually have like a little knob right here that you attach into here so that you of course can pull this out, and then you just bring it back inside. See, I can't even, there you go. And it just sits inside there. So it's not gonna slide all over the place. I honestly never seen that on another bed frame before because I don't like them. They're all over the place. They're terrible, but these are fantastic. So yeah, I love the look of this. I think it's really functional. And again, having those two features I've never seen before makes this a really fantastic bed frame.